Hey, hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Y'all, this color, this unit is everything. Like, let me greet y'all. Welcome back. I'm Gabrielle. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about this ginger unit. Beautyforever hair company, they did their thing, okay? I just didn't think that I was going to really love this unit, but y'all, yes, okay, y'all, I am so excited about this unit. Let's just get into the details. Okay, so this is the ginger color, and this is body wave, and I believe it's 24 inches, if not 26. Details and links to this particular wig is going to be down in the description box. Average cap size, it barely made it ear to ear. Actually, it really didn't make it all the way ear to ear, but that's kind of how like I prefer it. You can always put sideburns down like you see I have done. This wig is everything. Like, I'm so excited. Y'all, I was gonna sell this wig, but I'm not gonna do it now. I'm not gonna do it now. The hair is just so pretty. The one thing that I will say is that the color placement is not perfect, okay? I wouldn't expect these companies to have like perfect hair dye placement, so just keep that in mind. So that's exactly why I did curl it, because if I was gonna have it just flat iron straight, bone straight, you could definitely tell. But you know, I can live with it. I can live with it because these curls are everything. It curls so easily with my flat iron and my Pioneer curling iron. It was just like, I couldn't ask for a better outcome. You know, it was just, it's amazing. It's amazing. The lace is super thin. It was easy to blend. I used my lace tint from True Match, and it was just super easy. I plucked it. It's not too orangey like Halloween for me. Okay, so I was worried about that, and it's not like that. I really love how they did like a dirty blonde with some brown at the top to go into it instead of having a very dark root. Sometimes that's fine, but for this unit, I really appreciate how they did that, y'all. I am so freaking happy. I am so happy. I'm about to make my husband take me out on a date because I look good, okay? You know when you put on a wig and it's just like, it just makes you feel like, that's, okay. Let me calm down. Yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I would appreciate it. And I will check y'all lovelies out in my next video. Bye.
said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. $50, I even got a teddy on me. 81, that bring the crashes to the party. And you know me, turn the auto.